ladies, welcome to Mugda Studio. So this is Preeti Singh from Mugda, and in this episode I'm going to show you beautiful Gadwal Pattu collection. And you can see me, I have draped a lovely Gadwal Pattu sari here, which is of beautiful green color and pink color border. So it's a lovely sari, beautiful Pattu sari. And borders low we have this cross checks and floral booties, and all over the sari we have this small floral booties and matter. It's a beautiful Gadwal Pattu sari andi. And before I start showing you the saris, let me show you the saris which are on the mannequin now. So here's a beautiful pink color Gadwal Pattu sari with a green color contrast border. And it's a turning border starting with green and finishing with pink. And we have this simple plain peacocks and floral booties all over the body of the sari. And this side it's a beautiful violet color sari with yellow color contrast border. All over the sari we have small booties, mango booties and matter. It's a beautiful combination. And here goes a lovely violet color sari with blue color contrast border. We have beautiful peacocks with pure golden zari and resham work and matter. It's a lovely combination. And before I start showing you the saris, let me show you the contact details. So here's our contact details. So these are the contacts for placing the order. మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని నంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. అండ్ గూగుల్ పే నంబర్స్ మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంది, నంబర్స్కి ఆన్లైన్ పేమెంట్ చేసేయండి. సో లెట్ మీ క్విక్లీ స్టార్ట్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద సారీస్ నౌ. సో హియర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సారీ ఫ్రమ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గద్వాల్ పట్టు కలెక్షన్. లవ్లీ రెడ్ కలర్ అన్నమాట. అండ్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ వచ్చాయండి. అండ్ చిన్న ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ జరీ. And magenta border. Look at this lovely border. Circles vachayi lopala fillings lo peacocks and elephants icharanamata, along with small booties. And this side, let me show you properly. This big is the border. It's a very traditional look sari andi. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి, this is the blouse. Plain blouse with big border and matter. Price of this saree is 24,500. So let me show you the next saree now. So this is in green and pink saree. So all the more the color combination is same, the one I draped it. So it's a lovely green saree. We have elephant booties and the peacocks with pure golden and silver both the zaris. This side we have beautiful small booties on the border, diamonds, and this side we have lovely design and matter. You can see elephants, peacocks and diamonds with pure gold and zari work on this pink border. This is the look of the pallu. And coming to the blouse, we have, this is the blouse. And the price of the saree is 22,500. So let me show you the next saree. It's a beautiful color. Double shade and matter ikkada blue and green double shade color saree udandi. And we have this purple color border. Such a lovely design, and look at this details of the saree. We have checks and matter, checks lopala rudraksha motifs and diamond motifs icharu. I can also see small peacocks. Pure golden zari work though. Both the borders are same. We have floral booties, cross lines, and peacocks. And this is the look of the pallu, brocade pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి, this is the blouse and matter. Coming to the price of the saree. The price of the saree is 22,500. So the next saree is a lovely green color saree with checks andi. Chala traditional saree andi. This is beautiful Gadwal Pattu collection. Chala comfortable untundi. Soft material with the pallu. So checks booties, checks motifs, lopala floral booties. We have elephants, a ruffed design and beautiful peacocks. You can take a single pallu, even if you want you can pleat it, and I'm showing you the material so soft. is the pallu. This is the blouse. Contrast magenta colored blouse and matter. Price vachesi 19,800. 19800. So let me show you the contact details once again. So these are the contact details. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us on any of these numbers and we will assist you further. And here goes the next sari. Beautiful green color sari, small checks sochai. And we have Rudraksha motifs and peacocks as well. This side we have a small border with cross lines and Rudraksha motifs, turning borders starting with purple and finishing with green. This side we have lovely peacocks and tears and diamonds, Rudraksha motifs, finishing with green, turning border. This is the pallu. Such a grand pallu. And this is the blouse and matter. It's a beautiful blouse. Coming to the price, this is 26,500. 26500. Here goes the next sari with lovely purple color sari. And all over the sari, Rudraksha booties or chai with golden and silver zari ali. The sari is amazing, so beautiful and traditional look. Borders, so we have this lovely floral booties, floral creepers with golden zari and resham work charu. So same goes here as well, and we have followed by cross lines. Big border. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. And the blouse vachesi. This is the look of the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 19,800. So next sari chusida. Here goes the next sari in green color. Lovely green color sari with mango booties, and we also have small floral booties. Borders of beautiful temple motifs and diamonds. This side we have peacocks, elephants and diamonds. It's a turning border starting with purple and finishing with green. It's a lovely sari. This is the pallu. And the blouse vachesi. This is the look of the blouse. Plain magenta color blouse icharanamata. Coming to the price, this is 22,500. Next sari. It's a beautiful blue color sari. Floral jal. Pure golden zari work look. Borders are like magenta color borders. We have zigzags with golden zari. This side we have floral booties with zigzags. So we have this beautiful resham work. This is the pallu. And blouse vachesi. This is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 17,500. So the next sari is a beautiful green color sari. We have lovely peacocks and elephant booties with pure golden and resham work, silver zari. So golden and silver zari lo icharu. And borders are beautiful turning borders starting with orange and finishing with green. We have deeds with floral jals here, cross lines here. This is the pallu of the sari. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 13,500. So the next sari, once again let me show you the contact information. So these are the contact details for you to contact us for placing the order. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite sari as and when I'm showing you, and send it to us on these numbers and we will take it forward. And here goes the next sari, beautiful black color sari. This is lovely black color Gadwal Pattu with turning border. So we have this floral booties all over the body of the sari with pure golden zari. Borders we have this cross checks and floral booties. This is the pallu, beautiful pallu of the sari. This is the blouse. Price vachesi 22,500. So next sari, it's a beautiful blue color sari, and we have deer motifs here, lovely deers with golden and silver. Gap borders are you can see pink and purple color borders. Two borders, elephants, diamonds. Coming to the pallu, this is a look of the pallu. And this is the blouse of the sari. Coming to the price of this sari, this is 22,500. It's a very lightweight sari, Andy. So the sari which I've draped it, I feel very comfortable. Very beautiful collection, Gadwal Pattu collection this is. Here goes the next sari in beautiful green color and blue color contrast border, sky blue color border. So all over the body of the sari we have this beautiful small booties and mata. Borders with Rudraksha motifs and mangoes. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu chai. This is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 25,500. So let me show you the next Gadwal Pattu sari, which is a cream color sari with blue color border. So we have Ganga Chamuna border actually. So this side we have this blue color border, this side we have this violet color border. And body of the sari lo checks vachayandi, pure golden zari to checks lopala fillings. Borders we have cross lines and mangoes and rudrakshas. So here it's a golden zari work and this side is the silver zari work. So you can even pleat it and drape it, it's gonna look beautiful. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 18,500. Next sari is a beautiful sari. Navy blue color sari and bata. Peacocks achai, Rudraksha booties achai. Pink color borders. This is a very unique design. You can take a single pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 15,500. Very lightweight, comfortable sari and easy to carry also. Here goes the next sari in green color, so lovely green color sari, parrot green. With turning borders, check booties or chai, low color resham, golden zari work. Look at this checks, it's made of resham. And low color fillings or chesi, we have peacocks and rudraksha booties, so which is of golden and silver zari. Lovely turning borders starting with blue and finishing with green. Cross lines. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price of this sari vachesi 21,500. So let me show you the contact details once again. So these are the contact information for you to place the order. All you have to do is just take a screenshot of your favorite sari as in when I'm showing you the saris, and just send it to us and we will assist you further. Here goes a lovely darker shade of sky blue color sari. Beautiful peacock sochai, elephant sochai, pure golden and silver zari work though. Borders are lovely borders. We go cross checks sochai, floral creepers sochai. Purple color border for blue color sari. And this is the pallu of the sari. And blouse is like this. Contrast of magenta color blouse. Price of the sari vachesi 13,999. Next sari, lighter shade of peach color sari. This is yellow color sari. The mustard color sari, and we have this lovely blue color contrast border. Body of the sari lo checks achai in blue color and Rudraksha boutiques kuda unnai. Cross checks and floral booties. Pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. And the price of the sari vachesi, here it is. So the price of this sari, the price of this sari is 18,500. So next sari, it's a beautiful pink color sari with sea green color border. It's a beautiful lightweight Kanwal pattu sari andi. And leaf motifs are chinna leaves and matter with pure golden zari. Plain borders. Very comfortable sari. This is a pallu. Lovely pallu. This is the blouse. And the price of this sari is 16,500. I'm going to show you a same pattern sari in different color now. So this is green sari with pink border. And here the design is different. Body of the sari, we have this medium sized floral booties with golden zari and pink borders. This is the look of the pallu. Blouse vachesi meeku pink color contrast blouse. Plain blouse icharu. Price of this sari is 14,500. Next sari is a beautiful pink color sari with mehendi green color border and orange color kuda vachayandi on the border. This is a pink color sari, but it's a double shaded sari. It's a pink and orange shade. Beautiful green color border. Peacocks and mangoes all over the body of the sari. Chinna floral booties icharu. Golden and silver zari work though. So turning border starting with orange and finishing with green. Peacocks and mangoes. This is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. Beautiful orange color blouse icharu, contrast look. Price vachesi 22,500. Once again, let me show you the contact details. So these are the contact numbers where you have to send a screenshot of your favorite sari and we will assist you further for processing your orders. GPay numbers mentioned JC only for you to make the payment online. Here goes a beautiful black color sari with peacocks, medium sized peacocks with pure golden zari work. So we have lovely peacocks with pure golden zari work. Borders are like small borders, same borders on both the sides. We have peacocks and mangoes again. Pallu is like this, beautiful pallu. And coming to the blouse, This is the look of the blouse. 17,500 is the price of that saree. So next saree vachesi blue color lo vachai, heavy blue color saree with pink border. So we have got gap borders and beautiful leaf motifs all over the body of the saree with pure golden zari. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. Price of the saree vachesi 18,500. Here goes the next saree in beautiful pink and green borders, gap borders. So beautiful Gadwal pattu andidi, and we have lovely designs. It looks like a fish and small birds and butter, golden and silver both the zaris low. Look at this lovely design. Green color borders, gap borders. And this is the pallu, brocade pallu. And this is the blouse. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 18,500. So the next saree is a beautiful black color saree, Ganga Jamuna border. So this side we have yellow border, this side we have pink border. And we have this lovely small booties with golden zari and all over the body of the saree. If we drape it, pleat it, it's gonna look beautiful under this saree. The pallu is like this, brocade pallu, and the blouse is like this with yellow borders on both the sides. Coming to the price, this is 18,500, 18,500. So the next saree, it's a lovely check saree, white and black. Double fillings icharu. A few of the boxes are filled with mango booties with pure golden zari work. Pink color contrast borders, zigzags and floral booties with pure golden zari work. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse. Contrast pink color blouse. The price of this saree is 14,500, 14,500. Here goes the next saree in sea green color. So checks lo chayandi, gap borders, silver zari work to icharu, checks and black lines kuda vachayi. So we have small borders on both the sides, same border, gap border. You can see we have this silver zari work here and brown and black color finishing. It's a very beautiful saree. This is the pallu, and the blouse is like this. Contrast black color lo icharu with this gap borders. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 16,500. So once again, contact information. So for orders, these are the contact details for you to contact us. So meeku nachina saree screenshot teeskoni numbers ki WhatsApp chesiste, we will assist you further andi. And GPay numbers kuda mention chesanu so that you can make the payment online. Here goes the next beautiful elegant saree in green color and pink border, gap border. So the body of the saree is plain and it looks so elegant. Borders are pink, gap borders, temple motifs kuda icharu. This is a pallu. And this is the blouse. Plain blouse and matter. Price vachesi 13,500. So now I'm going to show you check saree anti Gadwal. So body of the saree vachesi checks vachayi, small checks and matter with orange color borders, gap borders. temple motifs. It's a very beautiful color combination. Darker shade of sky blue and orange color. This is the pallu. And the blouse vachesi contrast orange color blouse. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 16,500. So let me show you the next saree, beautiful green color. This is a beautiful dark green color saree with lighter shade of the darker shade of peach color border. Such a lovely combination. Chala beautiful, sober, chala light, simple saree. This is simple and elegant saree. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse of the saree. Price vachesi 13,500. So let me show you the next saree now. So this is a beautiful blue color saree with gap borders only. So we have pink and orange color borders. Checks design all over the body of the saree. So chala beautiful and this checks design. You can even take a single pallu, you can even pleat it. Any which ways, it's gonna look elegant. This is the pallu of the saree. And coming to the blouse, we have, this is the blouse only, pink color low. Coming to the price, this is 14,500. So this is the last saree from our beautiful Gadwal collection. So I've shown you different concepts in Gadwal, beautiful golden zari work though, checks low. So beautiful color combinations lo. So meeku nachina saree screenshot teeskoni numbers ki WhatsApp chesiste, we will assist you further andi. So these are the contact numbers and these are the Google Pay numbers. And international courier services could available ga undi. So we are shipping all over India and internationally as well. So that's all for now for beautiful Gadwal collection. So Preeti Singh Rajput is signing off as of now. I will soon get back to you with another collection. So please do take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.